Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can quickly and easily move your photos from iCloud to your phone's storage. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also be sure to put likes under the video and write comments after watching. Friends, let's get started. Open the settings on your iPhone. After that, select the topmost first function. This is where it says your name to go to your Apple ID. Next, you will need to click on the iCloud section. After that, select the Photos section. And now when you go to the photos in your iCloud storage, in order to transfer it to your phone's storage, the only thing that you need to do, or that you need to check, is to make sure that this option, which is iPhone synchronization, is turned on. And if you have it turned off and it looks grayed out, then you just need to toggle it to enable synchronization between iCloud and phone storage. After that, all your photo and video files will be moved to your phone. This is the way, friends, you can quickly and easily move your photos from iCloud to your iPhone storage. I really hope this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also write your comments and be sure to like the video. See you soon.